Have you heard the infamous term "it's not rocket science"? It is used to emphasize how simple something is, just because rocket science is a notoriously tough subject. Scientists must live in space with only the minimum necessities that a rocket can transport. Therefore, it may be difficult to imagine that the next major advancement in the most challenging field of research could come from a kindergarten skill, in other words, origami. The first question that might have come to your mind after hearing this might be, what exactly is origami? The second would be, how can this be used to advance space exploration? Let us begin the video with a question: what is origami? The art of paper folding is called origami. The name comes from a combination of two Japanese terms, ori, which means folding, and kami, which means paper. In traditional origami, a single square sheet of paper, sometimes with a colored side, is folded into a sculpture without taping, gluing, cutting, or even marking it. What is origami and space engineering? The ancient skill of paper folding known as origami modifies a material's potential without altering its volume or weight. As demonstrated when a piece of construction paper can transform into a jumping frog or a standing crane, we can see that origami folds maximize the utility of a material. Origami is used in space engineering as a way to organize luggage for spaceflight, increase the flexibility of spatial constructions, and enhance the precision of robotic movements. In terms of origami space engineering, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory has led from the forefront. With its folds, origami compresses and packs materials into the smallest possible spaces. According to Robert Salazar, an intern at the laboratory, origami has offered the potential to compress a vast structure to fit within the rocket. This has greatly magnified what humans are capable of constructing in outer space. Origami is used not only for compression but also for robotic exploration. The New Worlds mission's Starshade Occulta, part of NASA's exoplanet exploration program, shields starlight from interfering with the telescope's exoplanet images. When it opens up, it looks like a flower blooming. The petals extend from the stem, which separates from the occulta and turns into a standalone telescope. According to Principal Investigator Jeremy Kasdan, this mission will allow us to directly image rocky Earth-like exoplanets. Origami enables this expansion without expending the resources and energy to have an astronaut perform the mission manually. Origami is one of the most elegant and straightforward sets of instructions that scientists can give robots, as can be seen in the Starshade Occulta. Robots cannot be designed with human inclinations, even though they can execute tasks that humans are incapable of. The mechanical aspect of material folding, however, makes instructions much clearer and more exact for robots to interpret. Robots in space may readily understand origami as a common language. One of the first robots to use this language was a self-folding robot created by an assistant professor at Northeastern University named Samuel Felton and his team. The circuit board on the robot bends as electricity flows through it like blood through veins, and the robot moves on after bending parts of its body. Dr. Felton thinks that in the far future, these robots might be used in space missions. We can learn from origami space engineering that most of the time, complex problems have straightforward solutions. In science, advancements and discoveries are celebrated. Rediscoveries receive less attention, but if we trust in their potential, what we already have can be given a new lease on life. Scientists might use origami engineering as a humble reminder that the last frontier is within each of us by looking compassionately at each of our potentials. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Your support means a lot to us.